All right, folks, what I have here for you today, okay, is a certified pre-owned 2017 Honda Pilot EX. We're going to go on the top of this one. It's going to be very good. Please stay tuned to this here. Take a look at just how the front headlights actually go with your daytime running lights as well. If you look here, you got your lane watch right under there and your breakaway mirror. Any tight positions you get into, you definitely will be okay. Privacy glass, take care of the sun for the passengers in the back. That way it helps you out as well. I'm gonna show you about the trunk though. There's a lot of space we gotta go through. Okay, take a look in the back here again. A lot of room we're gonna work with here. You'll notice a difference. It's a 60-40 split. The seats actually fold down, creating a little more room for you in the back just in case you're storing anything. Again, additional coverage underneath here. You can even flip this for the all-weather part of it too as well, for any type of stuff you're putting in with rain, things of that sort as well on it. Take a look in the back here, you'll notice the cup holders. Each door has it. Also inside the middle, a lot of leg room for the passengers as well. For this third row vehicle, you're definitely gonna love it. If you come into the front, you'll notice that not only a hands-free calling, but backup camera just as well, and a lot of neat amenities that you'll be able to actually use and love. You have to come see. All right, finishing touches to this one. Again, my name is Mike McKinnon. I'm gonna get located here at Delaney Honda, right across the street from Walmart. Number to reach me as well is 724-717-1500. Ladies and gentlemen, this here is a 2017 Honda Pilot EX. Not only will you love it, but the ride is definitely smooth. Come down and test drive it with me.